Our Masters in Management taught at our Marylebone campus will equip you with the critical skills to lead across finance, people management, operations and communication and marketing. Blending theory and practice, you develop your decision-making, analytical and problem-solving skills while exploring operational, tactical and strategic approaches to management. You study real-world case studies, analyze why companies succeed or fail, and gain hands-on experience with industry-standard software such as Bloomberg and SPSS. A highlight is the Management Residential Weekend, where you take part in team-based exercise, building leadership, delegation and communication skills. You can also apply for a credit-bearing PG Internship Programme to gain valuable work experience. This degree prepares you for roles such as a business analyst, business development manager, data analyst, management consultant, project manager, risk manager, and supply chain manager. Graduates from this course have gone to work for leading organizations, including Amazon, Mind, Bupa, Barclays, and Global.